Movie camera, the Leica Q4 might be coming much earlier than anyone expected. And trust me, this could be one of the most important launches in photography. Leica has already set the standard with the Q, Q2, and Q3, blending luxury design with cutting-edge performance. But now, rumors suggest the Q4 could take things even further, with groundbreaking features like a possible global shutter, AI-powered autofocus, major video upgrades, and a refined new design. In this video, we'll break down everything we know so far, from the leaked specs and potential early release date, to why the Q4 could completely redefine what a premium compact camera means in 2025 and beyond. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The photography world is buzzing with anticipation as rumors swirl around the possible early launch of the highly awaited Leica Q4. Leica has always been synonymous with craftsmanship, precision, and timeless design, and the Q series has become one of the brand's most iconic offerings in recent years. The Leica Q, Q2, and Q3 have already established themselves as unique full-frame compact cameras that combine legendary Leica optics with modern technology in a way that few other cameras can match. Now, with whispers of the Leica Q4 possibly arriving sooner than expected, the excitement among photographers, collectors, and enthusiasts has reached a fever pitch. The question everyone is asking is whether the Q4 will continue to refine the formula or bring radical changes that could reshape how we view premium compact cameras in 2025 and beyond. To understand the significance of the Leica Q4, one must first appreciate the impact of its predecessors. The original Leica Q, launched in 2015, was a groundbreaking product. It introduced a fixed 28mm f/1.7 Summilux lens mated to a full-frame sensor in a compact body, offering unparalleled image quality in a camera that could fit in a small bag or even a jacket pocket. It was designed for photographers who wanted simplicity without compromise, a camera that embodied Leica's minimalist philosophy while still being powerful enough to compete with larger systems. The Leica Q2 followed in 2019, boosting resolution to a staggering 47 megapixels and adding weather sealing, a sharper electronic viewfinder, and improved battery life. It cemented the Q line as not just a luxury item but a serious tool for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Then came the Leica Q3 in 2023, which elevated the game even further by introducing a backside illuminated full-frame sensor with 60 megapixels, advanced hybrid autofocus with phase detection, and even 8K video capabilities. The Q3 proved that the Q line could be both traditional and cutting-edge, catering to still photographers while opening doors for content creators and filmmakers. Now, as attention shifts toward the rumored Q4, the big question is, what can Leica possibly do to improve on the already outstanding Q3? According to leaks and insider chatter, the Q4 could be a more revolutionary step than many expect. One of the strongest rumors is that the Q4 might adopt a global shutter sensor, something that has been making waves in the industry thanks to cameras like the Nikon Z9 and Sony A9 III. A global shutter would eliminate rolling shutter issues entirely, making it ideal for street photography, fast action, and even professional video production. If Leica does introduce a global shutter in the Q4, it would be the first time such technology is implemented in a compact full-frame camera, and it would instantly set the Q4 apart from every competitor in its category.